Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our JavaScript tutorial. What is JavaScript? Say you have a lit website, but it is just for show and doesn't really look interactive and has no action. You use JavaScript to make your site look vibrant, competent, and dynamic. JavaScript is a programming language that is primarily used for making web pages interactive. It allows you to dynamically manipulate the content and behavior of a web page in response to user actions. With tools like React Native and Electron, JavaScript can be used to build applications for various platforms, including mobile and desktop. We can even use it to link websites to programming languages like Python. Some cool features of JavaScript are interpreted language, async, processing, client, side validation, more control in the browser, lightweight, scripting language, client-side validation, more control in the browser, lightweight scripting language, dynamic typing, object-oriented programming support, functional style platform, independent prototype-based, interpreted language, asynchronous processing. In this course, we will learn JavaScript from basic and reach to advanced topics. We will code together, so make sure you have your laptops ready. Turn JavaScript concepts into catchy tunes. Sing about variables, loops, and functions to the tune of your favorite songs. Who said learning can't be musical?